Hey, what's up everyone, this is Steven Mind on Crypto and welcome back to my channel. On this YouTube channel I'm bringing you the new crypto projects. I'm bringing you the sentiment about the market, when I'm bullish, when I'm bearish. And as you know, I'm bearish since April this year, so I've been turning very bearish since April, and I warned some people, and I mentioned in Telegram groups and my Telegram group about the sentiment. And at that time Bitcoin was about $45,000, and as you know now it's a little bit above 20k. And also some of the projects that I'm bringing you may be the next 100x project, and maybe the project that I'm gonna bring you today, it's gonna have the next 100x return in the next bull market. So let's see what I'm talking about. In my last video I talked about the new concept, maybe the new hype on drive to earn, and I was talking about Hivemapper, the new drive to earn project, and that one was an introduction video, so was very pretty broad, and video by video I'm gonna go in deep dive in the project, and I'm gonna go through some important things that the project is bringing in the market. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Dashcam, what does it do, how does it work, and all these important things about the Dashcam. Maybe you know, or maybe you don't know, but they are bringing in the market the decentralized mapping, so we can mine Honey token with Hivemapper Dashcam. As you guys see here, the process mining Honey token is pretty easy. It's simple as that. Install the Hivemapper Dashcam and drive. All you have to do is install the Hivemapper app, install the Dashcam, and they're gonna do everything else. But how does it work? Oh well, they collect and transfer the high quality imagery to the Hivemapper network via the Hivemapper app. It is self-identifies only what the map needs to ease up on data being backhauled. Lets you track your mining rewards automatically through the Hivemapper contributor app. The only thing it doesn't do is ever invade your privacy. It only collects what the map needs and absolutely nothing else. Driving is the newest way to mine crypto. The Hivemapper Dashcam is designed for seamless decentralized mapping on the Hivemapper network. So while you drive, you're not only mining and earning honey for yourself, you're building a better map for the world, one that future-focused businesses and developers can use to run their apps and operations. So nothing against you, but the Hivemapper Dashcam doesn't need or want to see your face. With the Hivemapper Dashcam, we are constantly growing, ever updating map of our world. Maybe some of you guys asking what's gonna be in my package, what I'm gonna receive with the Dashcam. So here we have what's included with the Dashcam. So the main, of course, it's Hivemapper Dashcam with USB-C port plug. Okay, it's gonna come with a power cord for 12V, cigarette lighter adapter, mount assembly for attaching the Hivemapper Dashcam to our vehicles. There are two different types of cameras. One is the basic one, which is 4K quality. I think is 10 frames per second. I'm gonna make another video about these specifications. The other one, Hivemapper Dashcam S, has the same quality, 4K resolution. And the difference, a small difference here is from 10 frames per second from the basic camera to the 30 frames per second to the Hivemapper Dashcam S, and many other specifications, which I'm going to talk about in the next video. All you guys have to do to earn Honey token is to pre-order the Dashcam. They haven't launched yet, so the only thing is you have to pre-order. And because you are here, you are a lucky person, and I have a discount coupon in the description, an affiliate link. You're gonna have 10% discount when you order the Dashcam through my link. The only thing that you have to be aware of is the basic camera. It's gonna be shipped by the end of the summer 2022, and the other camera, the Hivemapper Dashcam S, is gonna be shipped by the end of the year 2022 or beginning of the next year 2023. So make sure you pre-order the Dashcam through my link, because you're gonna save, you know, $60, $70. For me personally, I ordered 3 Dashcams. 2 are basic one, and the other one is the Hivemapper Dashcam S, and I'm really excited to receive them and start earning honey tokens, which I think in the beginning we're gonna mine a lot of tokens, because there is few people that they're gonna receive the camera in the beginning, and we need an incentive to start driving a lot and earn honey tokens. As I know, in the beginning with Helium network, the people that were in the beginning with Helium antenna, they were earning a lot of HNT tokens, and that's, I think, is the future of Hivemapper Dashcam. In the beginning we're gonna mine a lot of honey tokens. So make sure you order some Dashcams, and I think drive to earn is gonna be the next hype in the next bull market, as we saw in the last bull market with play to earn and move to earn with Stepan, the crazy move to earn app. Guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna bring you the next hype on the cryptocurrency, and I have 885 subscribers, and I'm almost there, 1K of subscribers. And make sure you like the video, share with your friends, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.